As we now learn, coronavirus has killed 6 people in Washington state. Governor Doug Ducey here at home and the state's health department just held a media conference about the virus here.
At this point, the state is saying we can expect to see more cases of COVID-19 right here in our state. Brittany Thomason is joining us live from Arizona's Public Health Lab. Brittany, so how many people have been tested in our state so far?
So far, 26 people from Arizona have been tested for coronavirus. Out of all of those people, only one person has tested positive. That's that man out of Tempe. He's okay now. He's out of quarantine. We have one case that's pending, and we have 24 people who are in the clear. The health department says that now that we can do testing here in Arizona, those numbers are likely to go up.
There are now several cases of COVID-19 in the United States in people without a travel history to an affected area. So we know the disease is spreading, and we can expect additional cases in Arizona.
Coronaviruses can cause respiratory illness in people. Symptoms look a lot like the flu or a cold. After someone is tested in Arizona, the health department says they'll get their results the same day or the next day. Up to 450 samples can be tested a day, and several samples can be taken from a single person.
The more we're looking for cases, the more we're going to find. An increase in the number of cases does not necessarily mean the disease is more severe.
She says the numbers will go up simply because they're looking for more cases. The governor and the health department say they have a plan if the virus spreads in Arizona.
We are guided by the state's existing pandemic influenza response plan. This plan was last updated in May of 2019.
This morning I was briefed by Vice President Pence and senior administration officials on the latest when it comes to the national response.
Ducey says federal authorities promised to provide Arizona with updates and support. Another interesting thing the health department said today is it does not recommend wearing those masks unless, number one, your doctor tells you that you should, or unless you have symptoms of coronavirus.
Yeah, Brittany, there's been a run on masks. There's been a lot of misinformation out there, especially on social media. Where can people go? Where can Arizonans go if they have more questions and they need more information?
A really good resource is simple. If you go to the Arizona Health Department's website, it has so much information. It answers tons of questions. So this is a really good resource for you.
All right, Brittany Thomason reporting live for us tonight. Brittany, thanks.
And we were